Oh, magde-day out kami. Trying our new camera. Okay.
Is it a new camera?
Yes. Okay. Day out kami. Old school. Tapos ito.
Is it a new camera?
Yan yung aming new car actually. Lease car to. Kasi sira yung kotse namin. So ito yung gagamitin namin for today. Yan ang aming kotse for today. Kia Sportage. No, bago to. Bago. Day out kami. Tignan natin. Round the back.
Well, you might because you'll be at this.
Ganda ng kulay nito, no?
Ganda nga, I like
Oh,
it.
ganda ng kulay. Ay, hindi ko alam kung meron sa Pilipinas niyan. Okay, go. Tayo natin. Oh ba, nandito na yung kanyang kama. Sige, go. Tingnan natin itong bagong kotse natin. Hindi naman sa atin to pero dahil sira yung kotse, ito ang kotse natin for today. Okay.
Waiting for you.
Oh, ganda ng loob Oh, ganda.
This newly added phone sports are.
Okay.
Do you want to connect the CarPlay? Yes.
Oh, ganda.
Yes.
Tour mo yung kotse.
Ganda, look at that.
Driver, tour mo na rin, sama mo na.
Ganda naman ng driver.
Oo. Raw vlog! This is a raw vlog! It's a raw vlog! Oh, Pita.
Wow.
Akala mo magbabakasyon no? Day out lang naman.
Day out.
Grabe.
Well, it's a luxury now to have a day out.
Oh, correct.
Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got what.
Oh, kamusta ang iyong bagong car?
Ayos.
Ayos ba?
Ang high-tech nagkulay niya.
High-tech ba masyado?
Pareho tayo ng sapatos
Oh, nalock mo na ba yung bagong car mo? Oh, check mo. Ano masasabi mo sa bagong car mo?
Mas gusto ko to.
Mas gusto mo yan?
I love it.
Good luck. Nandito kami ngayon, tumitingin kami ng stainless steel pan. Tingnan natin, medyo pricey, so naghahanap kami na medyo mura. Pwede natin palitan yung ating Tefal o ating non-stick pan. Di kasi maganda yun.
Smaller one, and if you have like a soupy one, you can use
Masyado
this
ata malaki yan.
for the soup. And then you've got a lid as well. The lid will cover your frying. You can use this for every day as well. Tsaka dyan. No?
Solid stainless, solid.
Kung gusto mo clear yung lid.
Mas maganda kung meron silang clear.
So you
Para nakikita mo niluluto
I
mo.
think this one is fine. This side. And then the lid.
Dami nilang
Can you
stainless
see
dito.
the lid of this size? If we're getting that and then that.
Pag bibili ka daw nito, huwag ka bibili ng set.
No, I mean,
Kasi madalas hindi mo talaga nagagamit siya, which I agree. Kaya lang maganda sana kung ganito yung lid yung takip po. Diba? Paano nakikita mo niluluto mo? Dito kami sa Starbucks. Bago na bago, parang lagi kami nag-Starbucks. Oh, meron ng dahil Halloween na, November na, Starbucks. Oh, ganda nito. Parang ghost. Ayos dami Halloween na kasi. Grabe parang ang sarap. Iba talaga kada bansa Sa Pilipinas, iba yung mga ino-offer. Dito naman, iba rin. Maraming muffins, iba-iba. Meron din ito. Oh, this is... That's nice, kakaiba. Oh, di ba sa Starbucks may chichirya? Nakakita mo, Starbucks may chichirya. Diba? Only in the UK. Thank you. Order na natin. Parang di tayo nag-Starbucks What did you say again? You're excited for what?
I'm excited for pumpkin spice latte because it's the only seasonal drink I get excited for.
Napansin mo, sa Philippines, meron bang mga ganun seasonal drinks?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah. Pag December nga pala, no, meron.
Yeah.
Pero yung Halloween or November, wala, no?
No, there's pumpkin spice latte around.
November time din ba?
Yeah, like September because it's autumn.
Oo, okay. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko siguro napapansin.
Yeah.
Pero gusto ko sa Philippines yung December, yung peppermint mocha.
Yeah. Thank you.
That's Mama's drink. Here.
Stop drawing on it. That's cute.
Oh, naglagay sila. Sila nag-drawing yan. Is it not there? Din-drawing lang nila. Oh, nice. It's your free drink.
Thank you. Oh, I miss this. Oh, so good.
Good? What?
I got so much on sale.
Sale ba? Sale?
From my favorite shop.
Oh, okay. Anong binili mo?
Socks. Just
Yeah.
so many socks.
Yeah.
'Cause I
Super
re-
sale lahat?
Yeah, like
Let me see.
25% off everything.
Yeah?
So I like their socks, so I just
Yeah.
got so many.
O kasi wala ka ng socks eh, no?
I do, but I really like their socks. So
Oh, okay.
Stripey.
Natin.
stripy,
show?
stripy pattern, rainbow, and then I got this hat.
Oh, yan tama-tama winter
It's very
time na eh.
thin, but it's good for autumn.
Yeah, good yan.
And
Okay yan.
then I saw this at the till. This one.
Show?
It's a key ring.
Another key ring.
Yeah, but it was £2.40.
Oh, cheap yan.
Yeah,
cheap.
it's so cheap. And it's felt. It used to be, I don't know how much it used to be. 15, wait, no, 650, 950, and then £6, and then 650, and then £3 plus 25% off. So it's 240 for him. Avocado.
Okay. So, magkano ang overall damage natin, kid?
£34.
That's cheap.
That's cheap for
Ilang
always.
items? Ilang items?
1, 2, 3, 4, 6 items.
34.
34 for 6 items.
Good job.
Yeah,
Yan, sige. Sale kasi.
My favorite shop.
Well done.
You wanna see this hat?
Go
Oh, I can't see though.
I want to see yourself. It's so
Yeah.
easy. Auto mo i-flip ko lang yung screen, then you can see yourself.
Okay. And then I will fold it because that's the style. Wow. Is it okay?
Yeah. What do you think?
I like it.
No, tama-tama, natetest natin yung focus itong new Canon PowerShot V1. So, see how close you can get.
I got a pimple on my nose. Look at my pimple, it's so
At the
big.
same time, how fast ang focus niya. So, what do you think? Nagpo-focus ka agad?
I think so.
I think you should go near. Tingnan natin yung close focusing distance niya kung gaano kalapit ang kaya niya i-focus.
Can it see my pimple?
I don't know, you're seeing it.
It can. It's so clear.
Wow.
It's so red.
Kasi ibang camera, anak, pagka lumalapit ka, lumalabo na eh. So this one, I think, I'm not sure kung anong minimum focusing distance ito, pero it looks like you're so close. Ang lapit-lapit mo na. Oh, grabe. What do you think?
Yeah, it's really good. It's picking it up.
Is picking up?
It's picking up my skin. It's
Really?
picking up my pores.
Oh, grabe. Dikit-dikit ka na sa camera niyan.
Ew. You can pick up everything.
Yeah, but the hat looks really good on you.
Thank you.
Kamusta ang ikot-ikot?
Okay lang.
Okay lang?
Not my budget. I don't need it. I am Burberry.
Chill lang naman. Chill.
This, ito my
sa Germany.
This was £2.40.
Oh!
Tito Char, may sasabihin sa'yo si Pita. Oh. Tell her what almost happened to your Jollibee.
Oh yeah, rice poo-poo, and then when I got the poo-poo bag out my bag,
It fell.
No, it fell, but it nearly landed in rice's poo. So I put.
Why did it fall? Bakit di ba
Because
nasa
it's attached to the zipper.
Hindi, kinukuha niya kasi yung pupu
I
bag.
have to open my bag, so I just put Jollibee back inside my bag because I'm scared it's gonna fall.
Oh my gosh.
But it just dodged. It was like this.
Mahirap na kumuha ng pag nag-order ka.
Muntik na malaglag si Jollibee sa pupo nito. So imagine kung napunta siya doon. Here. So try naman natin itong built-in microphone nito. Nakalagay itong dead cat niya sa ibabaw. I'm not sure sa settings ng mic kung naka-on yung wind reduction. Pero this is how it sounds like. Medyo mahangin siya ng konti. Hindi ganun kalakas pero may hangin. So how does it sound like? Again, hindi ko pa alam dahil hindi ko pa na-edit to. This is the first time na ginamit ko itong camera na to. So far, wala pa akong idea. So talagang first time. So what do you think, guys? Okay na ba tong sound na to? Okay na ba yung walang external microphone? Pwede na ba talaga yung built-in microphone nito? Try naman natin yung zoom function nito. I really love the zoom function here. Alam mo. Diba? Nice and smooth. Dahil nasanay na ako sa Osmo Pocket 3 at saka sa mga action camera, na-miss ko talaga tong zoom na to. Grabe. Hindi mo akalain mamimiss mo yung zoom. But it's far enough. Oh, pwede na. Hindi mo naman kailangan ng super zoom. Super smooth. Ganda. So, alin tayo sa Under Armour. May sale, 20% off. Tingnan natin baka may magustuhan tayo. So, meron akong napiling tatlo. Try natin. Tingnan natin kung meron tayo magustuhan. First one. Ang problema nito, pag lahat na nagustuhan natin, medyo malaki nito. So, kailangan pumili lang tayo siguro na isa. Pwede natin yung next. Delikado tayo dito. Delikado, maganda din. Delikado tayo. Isa pa. This one so-so. So medyo may pag-asa. May pag-asa tayo hindi kaya kasos ng malaki. So lang. Tingin ko yung dalawa. Let's decide. I think this is definitely the one talaga. This is really good. Ito na fit sa akin. Pwede ko pang gem. Yun naman talagang gusto ko pang gem. Yung dalawa, so-so eh. Pero this, definitely. Mukhang meron na tayo napili. This is it. Okay, nakuha na natin yung epektos. Nabudol din tayo. Kala ko di tayo mabubudol eh. Pero isa lang. Isa lang ang nabudol sa atin. Budol. Ito medyo gagastos tayo. That looks nice. Okay, di ba? Hindi natin alam. Tingnan natin. Hindi pa ako sure. Hingi tayo na second opinion. Hindi ako sure. Ano yung asawa ko? Mukhang bibili na natin.
Oh my God.
Another budol. Budol na naman. Nabudol na naman tayo. Budol again.
Are they nice, Sonna, the grey?
Ang hirap. It's so hard.
No, I think they look lovely on you.
But I'm the one who's gonna look at her every day.
It's gorgeous without the glasses.
I know, right? Shall we go?
This one. I like grey.
Put it on again. Sorry. It's okay.
Definitely.
What do you
Yeah.
think, John?
Just a grey one then. Grey?
Yeah, the
Brown.
gray one. Pauwi na tayo dito sa bahay dahil gabi na. Subukan natin tong camera pag nasa low light ka na. Hindi ba masyado low light to? Yung bang parang mga ilaw lang sa bahay, yung mga normal lights lang. Hindi naman ako talaga mag-shoot sa dilim, di ba? Indoor lights, yeah, makikita natin how the camera performs pagka medyo yung ilaw indoor lights lang. Let's see. Nasa baba sila, puntahan natin. Medyo nagkukwentuhan, ano man na, nightcap na. Kaya, let's see. Tignan natin kung ano ginagawa nila sa baba. Oh, yan. Nandito po siya sa vlog. Sali ka sa vlog ko.
Talaga lang ha.
Oh, sige, magsabi ka.
Okay. Hi guys.
Pero pagka hindi kasi nakaganyan.
Ma'am here.
Si ano yan? My senior vlogger. Senior, ano yun? Senior wanderer.
Please watch out for my channel. It's coming out this month.
So, kailangan ibagsak mo.
O yung,
Senior Explorer.
the Senior Explorer pala. O, promote mo yung channel mo.
Like and subscribe.
Ana?
I-promote mo yung channel mo.
Like and subscribe.
Sabi mo like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Si
Click the
Please like and subscribe. Senior Explorer.
Saan ba ang first trip ni Senior Explorer?
Si Mama Mina.
Ana?
Saan ba ang first adventure ni Senior Explorer?
Yeah. By the way, guys.
Go!
We will begin with Japan. We will be doing a series of Japan vlogs. So watch out for those series.
Aba. Oh, sige like and subscribe.
Seryoso na ba yan? Vlog pa talaga yan?
Oo, nagpa-vlog tayo. Yan vlogger. Ito rin yung mga ano yan. Ayan Yan
Mahalit sa fossil.
Best na naman yan
Anong ginagawa niyo? Semi-retard na ba kayo?
Nireklamo mo ako, naglalaro. Tingnan mo ginagawa.
Alin, ano?
Sarap naman nito, semi-retard na.
Naglalaro. Tingnan mo to.
O, sabi mo kita si Mami.
Part-time lang
What do you want from
Yan po ang ginagawa ng mga Kaya pala sa taas ang ingay. iPad. Alak. Yan ang pulutan. Ayan. So, pati si Rice nandito.
Hello, baby.
Mas
How
gusto
are
nila
you?
huli
The Senior Explorer.
Yeah.
Yan pasama kami dito sa garden namin sa likod. Again, late na, gabi na. Ito lang ang ilaw na meron kami. At ito naman ang itsura niya during low light. Siguro talaga ito low light na talaga. Ayan. May ihi. Ayan. Umiihi siya. Bago matulog, wiwi muna.